Welcome back, guys. Let's check the VPN between these two checkpoint gateway. Let's first log into both the site and see what configuration we have. Right now, I can see US is here. Let's go to the US gateway and first we'll start with the security policy because in the policy everything we have VPN traffic. Okay, it's your UK internal network, your US internal network, both things are there. Okay, now I can see the VPN community is already there. Let's check what uh, settings we have with the gateways. So this gateway is it's like topology. Let's go into topology, platform, link selection. Let me just have it as it is. Link selection. So it says main IP address. Main IP address is your 129.109.1 topology, and I want to see the encryption domain, which is UK internal. If I say view in details, it's UK internal. Okay, this is what we have configured, and UK internal and the topology site is this. This looks good. UK side, US side. Let me just check what we have here. Here also I want to go to the VPN domain and I want to check what we have here. 10.1.0, that is okay. General property we have 192.168.58. Let's see what we have in a link selection. So link selection we have given this IP address, which looks okay. So this looks okay for me now. I am sure we are not able to do the connectivity here because there may be VPN things coming into the picture like external IP address. Why I'm saying so? Because of my past experience. I'll show you something. If I go to this and this US internal over here, if I see the NAT, I have this NAT added. So this NAT is causing the issue because the other side is not recognizing this as an interesting traffic. So what we need to do, we need to add this as interesting traffic. So for that, for the betterment, I just have to create two network groups. Say US internal group, network group, or I would say internal network. That is fine. This is it. That is more than enough. And just add your both the IP addresses. So let's see. This is my UK VPN gateway, right? This time we just add a single IP address and we'll see if it works or not. So here I have a US gateway object. We don't have it. So however, it's okay. We will add the network itself. Just go ahead and do it. Or instead of that, just create one extra object for the testing purpose first, and later on we'll add it. It requires a network to be added. Here I want to add, say, US external IP, and what is that IP address? Just want to cross check. As per the topology 172.21, 101.1, 172 dot, I forgot, 172.21.101, 21.101.1. That's the IP address. It's my external IP address I have added into this group, and I want the US internal network, which is this guy, and it's done. This guy is done. Now I want one more object of the network group, which is for the UK side. So UK side network internal, I just give the name like this. Here I want UK side network. If I have something over here, UK. So this is the network, and I am looking for one network object, which I would say the host object, and I will give UK external gateway, and IP address would be 172, I think 29. That is the IP. I hope so. 172.29.109.1. 109.1. This is the IP address. So this IP address has multiple instances. That is fine. So both things got added. Let me just delete this from here because we require new group objects. So we have now two, this guy and US, this guy. So UK network internal, US network internal. I just want to copy paste here. Yeah. Drag and drop. Okay. And VPN community, we just have to update the encryption domain. So I have to go to the gateways first. This is a mesh topology. Let's edit the gateway. And here, if I see topology, here I want those. Like this is what my which gateway. This is my UK. So UK internal network. Okay. The gateway main is not a member of the topology. That's fine. And this is US. Here also I need to go to the network of VPN domain, and I have to select US internal network. And okay. This part I think is okay. The policy is there, everything is there. Let's just push the policy, and the other side will jump and we'll see what is there for this VPN tunnel. So accordingly, we need to configure that side also. So the UK SMS, and you can see the rule number 2. Here we have this internal networks, so we need to change that. I'm sure we are in these groups. So say UK internal network, and add here my UK and the external IP address. So one, I need to add UK internal. I search UK. Simple object I have created, this guy, and I have to create one object for the host purpose, which will give the IP address of UK gateway. So it's 172.29.101, I guess. 109.1. That's it. And in this object here, I'm okay with the having multiple instances. And I require one more for the other side. So here also I say US network internal. And here also I will add my US network. I hope it is here somewhere. So this is already here. And we'll add a object for the network side, external side. So US external gateway, I would say. What is the IP for that? 172 172.21.101 101.1. Okay, this is the IP address and multiple instances. That is fine. Now let's go ahead and from this policy just delete this. We have already the previous videos where we have configured all this, topology and everything. Now we are just adding the troubleshooting part of it, whatever required. So here if you see, we required a UK internal network and US internal network, both the thing. And let's just copy this thing here. And just to cross verify, just click to that. You will see all those details what you added. And now the same thing we need to add to the VPN tunnel. Here go to this part, edit the device. This is the UK side. So UK side, go to the VPN domain, and here just add UK internal network. So I can see this guy. Click OK. All looks good. Current object UK gateway parameter is valid, therefore discarded. Why it's discarded? Let me just cross check what is that. Well, total operating version, one more argument is valid. So let me just cancel this. Something is wrong. Okay. Why it's saying guys having invalid argument? But this looks good for me. UK side, this is also looks okay. There is no problem at all. Let's do this edit from, I would say, that on the gateway itself. Not sure why it's giving me that weird message. If I go to the US UK gateway, well, total operating system version, one more argument is being added. So I have not changed anything up here. Why it's giving me this simple UK gateway? Why so? Let's do one thing. Don't make any changes now. I just have to, discard all the changes what we have done so far, because I'm not sure whether the changes what we have made is causing any issues over here. So right now we don't have anything. Okay. I just now create two more network group. Say UK network internal the objects are called, so I will say UK. I'm just giving for the reference, and here we'll add my UK internal network, which is this guy, and I will just add one more host. This is UK CP. I just give some name, which is 172.29.101.1. I have the same IP address this time. Okay, 29.109.1. So just simple add on here, and let's create one more network group and give it name US CP internal. I don't want our names should cause any issue. For the US thing, I think we have a simple network, which is this guy. And now add one more host. So the host name will give the US something like that. And IP address is 172 172.21.101.1. Okay, simple thing. Just added. Okay, so we have two different things. Let me just go ahead into the gateway. Okay, now it looks good. And go to the VPN domain, and here I have to select the UK. So simply we have created some object now. UK CP internal, and we can go it from the object browser, but I want to go from here. For the this guy, I just want to edit it, and I have to go to the topology side, and here let me just take USCP internal. Okay, this looks good. This is fine. That is fine. Don't change anything there. Now, policy, I just want to remove this. Both the policy I need to remove. And I will add my UK internal CP and what US internal CP, and just copy paste them here. Alright, and now once this is done, now just install the policy, and after the installation of the policy we'll test the connectivity, what's going on between those networks, and we'll troubleshoot from there. Just wait until the policy gets installed. Meanwhile, I will go here and let's minimize this so that we'll see everything works well. This will eventually get installed in a minute. Okay, it's installed. And come to this. Just take this. As per the lab, I want to ping from this PC. Right now I'm on this PC. The IP address 192.168.9.10.100. Hope this will ping now. So the IP is not pingable. Let's try from the other side. this 10, 10.1.1.10. So both the side we are not able to ping, same some error. Let me go to the UK side first and to the log, and I have to check what is going on. So on the source side, we have 10.1.9.100, and to the destination side, we have 10.10.100. I guess 10.1. I forgot the IP. What is that? 10.1.1.10. 1.1.10. Let's see what's going on here. Again, it shows that the VPN tunnel is up. Let's go to the body session. Take a session 192, 168, 50.58. Accept. Admin. Let me take it here so that you guys are able to see it properly. So right now I'm logging to this gateway and I will check what VPN things, we have all the packets. If everything looks good, let me just give the password for the expert mode, give the password, and the VPN 2 and check SK1 and 2. So SA looks good. You can see SA is formed, that means the tunnel is there with the other side. Okay,